Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Thursday, July 13, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Looking over at the charts here, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 2 points here to 24.42 and a quarter per contract. Futures really just settling in from yesterday's big move. You can see here overnight we've had a pretty just long sideways range for the most part. So we'll see how this market plays out today. But either way, futures are higher by 2 points. We're not going to make a big deal out of that. We did have some economic data just released, I believe the CPI numbers. But again, not really moving the needle much. We'll see how it plays out. But we have lots of stocks in the news today. I'm going to start the day off with Delta Airlines. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $54.53. Closed at $55.48 yesterday. So a nice little downtick here for Delta. It is off of its worst levels, but nonetheless, the stock is down. Today, if Delta got down to around $50, I do like the stock there a lot. But until then, I'm not really going to look to do much yet. We'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see what kind of pattern it makes. But right now, Delta definitely on the weaker side. This is on the back of earnings. This could also hurt stocks like American Airlines, who have their own issues here today. It looks like Qatar Airways pulled out of a big bid to buy a chunk of American Airlines, so they are not going to do so. You can see American trading a little bit lower as well. Keep an eye on Southwest today and United. They could also come under a little bit of pressure, at least early in the session. So again, Delta reporting earnings today, a little bit weaker than expected. And the market is selling it a little bit. Again, if it gets down to $50, I do like that level a lot at that point. Let's take a look at Target. Target right now flying high this morning. Looks like they've raised their guidance. So big move for Target here. Closed at $50.87. Trading at $53.75 this morning. I don't have any real resistance points at the moment. I would say around $54.30 would be some resistance, but pretty good move, and we'll see how it plays out. It definitely is a strong gap up this morning, so we'll see what Target does overall once the opening bell rings. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, wait for pattern. We'll look at it during the intraday trading session, and we'll see if there is a setup there. But right now, not much to do as far as Target is concerned just yet, but nice little pop-up this morning. Let's take a look at Walmart. That could be trading up, and it is trading up in sympathy to Target. And let's take a look at Costco. That could be up in sympathy as well, and sure enough, Costco's up as well in sympathy to the Target guidance. So Target causing a nice little pop higher in the retail stocks here, most notably Walmart and Target, Walmart and Costco. Let's take a look here at Snap. Everybody's talking about this stock. It's been beaten down as of late, but it looks like they got an upgrade today. Stock is catching a little bit of a bid, trading at $15.64 a share. Closed at $15 and a quarter yesterday. So Snap on the back of an upgrade, trading a little bit higher. Let's take a look at Yandex. YNDX is the ticker symbol here. Stock is catching a pretty big bid here. It looks like they did a collaboration with Uber on the ride-sharing business, really throughout Russia and a lot of the Russian bloc countries. So again, this is YNDX, Yandex, catching a real big bid today. Closed at $27.33 yesterday. It is now trading at $32.40 this morning. So real nice little pop there for Yandex. We'll see how that plays out. It looks like they did a deal with Uber on a ride-sharing business throughout the Russian bloc countries. So we'll see how that plays out. All right, let's take a look at Twitter. TWTR is the ticker symbol. Looks like there's an upgrade here. Stock is trading at $19.49. Really, really good move for Twitter as of late. The stock should start to stall out a little bit around the $20 level. So try to give it a little wiggle room to run a little bit higher, but not too much more. But Twitter has had a great move as of late, and this morning getting upgraded at these highs. Let's take a look at PayPal. PYPL is the ticker symbol. They were also upgraded this morning. Stock closed at $56.55, now trading at $57.37. So great move there. Again, I don't see a lot of upside here for PayPal. If you own it, I would trail the stop loss immediately. This stock is very, very overbought at the moment. Let's take a look at STX, which is Seagate Technology. Stock right now is trading at $38.28 a share, closed at $39.70. So good little down move here for Seagate. This one has been beaten up as of late, and today receives a downgrade. So again, I'll be watching for levels here, but around $35.75. I actually like the stock if it can get down that low. So keep that on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out today. Let's shift gears here a little bit. The gold market. Gold is basically flat today, trading at $1,219 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD this morning. You'll see that's trading at 116, basically right where it closed yesterday. Crude oil is also flat today, up a penny, trading at $45.50 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO this morning, that is trading at $9.35, closed at $9.33 yesterday, so basically flat as well. All right, there we have it. That's everything that we're seeing this morning. Again, we'll see how this market plays out today. Janet Yellen will be testifying again for a second day on Capitol Hill, this time in front of a Senate panel, and we'll see what comes out of that. But right now, markets are holding firm, and again, should be a very, very interesting trading day as we have lots of action out here ahead of the opening bell. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. We are now in the second half of 2017, so things are going to start to get a little bit more interesting. And again, come on over, try out that chat room. We've had a great year so far. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.